Golden brown crispy chicken tenders. A perfect recipe to follow for the most soft juicy tenders. These chicken tenders are super delicious. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the perfect marination and the perfect coating for these tenders to just get the perfect results. Chicken tenders that are crispy from the outside to soft and juicy from the inside. And learn to make a tasty dip to go with it. Let's begin. Cut the chicken to form perfect strips. Let's marinate the chicken strips. Add 300 grams of curds to the chicken. Thick curds to be used for this recipe. Add in the juice of 2 limes. Add in 1 1/2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. 3/4 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. 1 teaspoon of oregano. 1.5 teaspoons of salt to taste. Give it all a really good mix. Mix until all the chicken tenders are well coated in the marinade. Marinate the chicken for a minimum of 5 to 6 hours for best results, as these chicken tenders will absorb the flavors if marinated for a long time. For the coating, add in all-purpose flour that's maida. To this add in the corn flour powder. Salt to taste. Some black pepper powder. Chili flakes. Garlic powder. Make sure you add seasonings in the coating as well. Give it all a really good mix. For the wet coating, to a bowl add in some milk and an egg. Whisk and combine them together. Let's begin to coat and fry the tenders. We will do double coating for more crispy tenders. First with the dry coating. Then dip them in the wet coating. Coat them in the dry one again. This time coat them with a generous amount of flour. And remove the excess flour as shown. Make sure the tenders are well coated. Fry these chicken tenders in hot oil. Make sure you fry them well on one side. Takes around 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Carefully turn sides. Fry until they get a perfect golden brown color. The perfect crispy juicy chicken tenders are ready to be served. For making the dip, to a mixing bowl add 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. 1/2 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Some salt to taste. 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. Give it all a really good mix. Add 2 tablespoons of milk to get a perfect flowy consistency. This dip tastes just so amazing. These chicken tenders are a must-try recipe. So quickly follow this recipe to get the perfect results at home. And surprise your loved ones like I did. And watch them finish it off in minutes. And if you have any party coming up, this makes a perfect starter recipe. So do give it a try and save this recipe to try it later. Please subscribe to my channel today. Follow, share,